The, this Python program implements the first come first serve CPU scheduling algorithm using the queue classes. First, the program imports the queue class from the queue module. A queue follows the FIFO first in first out principle, meaning the process that enter first is executed first. Next, the program asks the user to enter the number of process. It then it creates an empty queue called queue and the list called burst time to store the burst time of each process. Using a for loop, the program asks the user to enter the burst time for every process. Each process ID and its burst time are stored as a tuple in the queue, and the burst time is also saved in the burst time list. After that, two empty lists, waiting time and turnaround time, are created to store the calculated values. A variable name current time is initialized to 0 to keep track of the CPU execution time. The while loop runs until mm, until the queue becomes empty. In each iteration, the first process is removed from the queue using queue.get. The waiting time is equal to the current execution time and turnaround time to calculate a waiting time plus burst time. This value are stored in the respective list. In the current time is updated by adding the burst time of the executed process. The program also displays the execution order of the process. Finally, the program prints a table showing the process ID, burst time, waiting time, and turnaround time for each process. It calculates the average waiting time and average turnaround time by dividing the total waiting and turnaround time by the number of process and display the result. This is how the first come first serve scheduling algorithm works. There where process execution is the same order they arrive. I'm going to execute the code. Now I give three process. I process three. Then 8 for P1, 3 for P2, then 5 for P3. Then I get P1, P2, P3 executed. The burst time of P1 8, P2 3, P3 5. Waiting time of P1 0, P2 8, P3 11. Turnaround time of P1 8, P2 11, P3 16. And the average waiting time is 6.33 ms. Average turnaround time is 11.67 ms.